coal, cement. Both of them are made of californium. Californium is the 98th element, an actinide with 98 protons and 98 electrons with 153 neutrons. Californium was discovered in 1950 by Glenn Theodore Seaborg, Stanley Gerald Thompson, Kenneth Street Jr., and Alert Guyser with a density of 15.1 grams per centimeters cubed. Californium has a melting point of 1173 degrees Kelvin and a boiling point of 1743 degrees Kelvin with an atomic weight of 251 atomic mass units, and it was named after the American state, California. Californium was the sixth synthetic transuranium element of the actinide series to be discovered. The researchers bombarded curium-242 with alpha particles in the 60-inch cyclotron in Berkeley, California. Each nuclear reaction created californium-245, half-life 44 minutes, and a neutron. Only about 700,000 atoms of californium-245 were produced in the experiment. This number of atoms is enough to make a cube with sides about 27 nanometers long. Chemical analysis proved that the new element had been made. Californium was isolated in macro quantities for the first time by Boris Cunningham and Stanley Thompson in 1958 at the Materials Testing Reactor in Arco, Idaho by prolonged, 5 years, neutron irradiation of plutonium-239. Approximately 1.2 micrograms of californium and 0.6 micrograms of berkelium were synthesized. The element was named after the U.S. state of California and the University of California. Californium is harmful due to its radioactivity. Californium is a synthetic radioactive silvery white metal of moderate chemical reactivity. It is a relatively soft, malleable metal and is easily cut with a razor blade. It slowly tarnishes in air to the oxide at room temperature. Californium-252 is a very strong neutron emitter. Californium-252, half-life of 2.645 years, is produced in nuclear reactors and has found a variety of uses. It is used as a neutron emitter, providing neutrons for the startup of nuclear reactors. It has also been used as a target material for producing transcalifornium elements. Anunnoctium, the heaviest of the elements, was produced when a californium target was bombarded with calcium ions. Californium-252 is used to treat cervical cancer. It is also used to analyze the sulfur content of petroleum and in neutron moisture gauges to measure the moisture content of soil. Source: californium is a synthetic element and is not found naturally on Earth. The spectrum of californium-254 has been observed in supernovae. Californium is produced in nuclear reactors by bombarding plutonium with neutrons and in particle accelerators. Isotopes: californium has 20 isotopes whose half-lives are known, with mass numbers 237 to 256. Californium has no naturally occurring isotopes. Its longest-lived isotopes are 251 cF, with a half-life of 898 years, 249 cF with a half-life of 351 years and 250 cF with a half-life of 13.08 years. Stay tuned for Einstein.